Suppose this is your mouse and this is the left side and this is the right side, and if you want to right click your mouse you must click this right off. And in this video we discuss how to right click using keyboard in Windows 10 without using the mouse. So you can do this using your computer keyboard if you are using Windows 10. For this you must remember this shortcut, that is you must press the Shift key and F10 key at the same time. If you are using your mouse and if you right click the mouse in your home page of Windows desktop, you can see that it appears like this. Same thing we can do using our computer keyboard. You must press the Shift key and F10 key at the same time. So in this keyboard you can see this is the Shift key and this is the F10 key, and I am pressing both these keys. That is, I am going to press the Shift key and at the same time I am going to press the F10 key, and you can see that the same right click effect come here. Hope you enjoy this video. For more video updates like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers Well Online. Thank you.